Well, my friend, wait, look, it says friend. You know what? We are finally releasing this mini Slimline friend card die set. A lot of you missed it when we released it in one of our kits a long time ago. So now is your chance to get it. And I have lots more samples. But first, I'm going to show you some other things that we're releasing. Now, on the 25th of the month, that is when we re-release items that you might have already seen before. For example, maybe I released them with the other company years ago, or maybe they went on HSN at one time, or maybe they were in a kit at one time. Things like that. So you might have missed them. We want to make sure you see them. So here we go. Here is the friend fold-it that I just showed you. We are also releasing, this was in a kit at one time, an A1 center step up, and I have a sample to share with you, don't worry. 3 different stencils we are re-releasing. So we have the fun pinwheel stencil, love it. We also have the medium dot, perfect for literally everything, right? And then we have the fun hexagon, but wait, my friends, there's more because there's a cloud shape on the back as well. Lots of awesomeness, right? We're also re-releasing by popular demand. Everybody wanted this one. We ran out. We got more in, and check this out. This is the By the Sea kit. I know a lot of you have been waiting for the Pacific ink. Here we go. Now, this is the Pacific ink and the Pacific refill. So awesome. We also have Pacific colored ribbon. We also have, oh my goodness gracious, you guys. Hello, is that the cutest seahorse you've ever seen? A seahorse Slimline folded. So adorable. She also comes with some mini shells as well. Awesome. Then there's also, but wait, there's more. A wave stencil that comes in the kit. There is also all of these fun embellishments. You're getting some epoxy dots, you're getting some puffy stickers, and you're getting tons and tons of under the sea or by the sea. What are we calling this? What is this? By the sea die cuts that are already done for you, and a paper pad. Now this paper pad is absolutely awesome. You're getting lots of different things in here. You're getting our sunglasses, you are getting our sand castles. So if you have those dies, you can use those to die cut it. You can get our fish tank on there. So great patterns as well. Our fish. So many options on this. So now is your chance. The sharks, the budgie shark. Now is your chance to get this kit while supplies last. While supplies last. Now, let me share with you some of the friend fold-its because they're so adorable. Look how gorgeous that is. Love lives here. Here we go. Friend will be friends forever. Look at how cute this is. Friend, I love this. Isn't that adorable? These are the mini Slimline, or you can put them on big Slimlines if you want to, because the letters are separate. So you could just put the word on a big Slimline if you wanted to, or on a 5x7, right? Do not limit yourself, my friends. Do not limit yourself. Options there. Also, you can turn this into a gorgeous shaker if you want to. So much fun. And last but not least, I have one A1 fold-it to share with you because we released this in a card kit, and you know what? Some of you weren't in the card kit at that time, so now's your chance to get the A1 version, the mini size. So much fun. My friends, the stencils and the kit, the By the Sea kit, are limited. Once they are gone, we will not be bringing them back. I know we brought back the By the Sea, but that was by popular demand. Very, very seldom do kits like that come back. So just a heads up, 7-up on all those items. The stencils and the By the Sea, once they're gone, they're gone. Okay, so go get them now. Hurry, run, go, go, go. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.